Hey friends, all my monsters and I welcome you back to our channel, Philomania, where we're going to explore the universe of collectible knives from around the world. Up next, we've got an unboxing. As you can see, I just got a little package, well, not just any package, but a really nice little box that we're about to open because I want to show you what's arrived. We're going to use this little knife here. I think this is the Buck. Oh wait, I forgot. I believe it's the Buck 112. It's a fixed blade, super sharp, very sturdy, and super practical, with a beautiful wooden handle that we'll take a closer look at later on. For now, we've got to open this package, and as you can see here, just a tiny spoiler. It's from Custom Knife Factory Knives. This is a Russian brand represented by NC Blade. Make sure to check out NC Blade's website. They sell excellent knives and have great taste in their selection. I highly recommend them because they're based in Florida, and shipping from Florida to Latin America is always really smooth. As you can see here, they always include a little card with a joke. This one says, "What do you call an old snowman? Water." Yeah. Funny, right? How do you call an old snowman? Water. Classic. It's always nice to see a bit of humor, but let's get to the main event. This knife, which I'm unboxing for you as a special treat. So, let's see what we have here. Well, I have to say, I've been waiting for this knife for quite some time. I had to keep a close eye on the NC Blade website to track its release date. We can see it comes with a card that says, the designer. This is a Sokosha 2024, a knife model from Custom Knife Factory designed by Marfione and Melishev. The steel is listed as M398. It also says Damasteel here, but I think they made a mistake because this isn't Damasteel. This one is DLC. As for the inlays on the handle, we're going to see some, I think it's zirconium. We'll check it out now. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm still not completely sure what material it comes with. The card doesn't have the materials marked off like it should, so it's hard to tell exactly what was used. Okay, but I'm pretty sure the frame is titanium. And something else. It should be Damascus, right? Maybe what it says here as T refers to Damascus. Well, it was packaged on December 8th, 2024. Here's the signature of the person who put it together. Thank you very much. And, well, it also comes with a few extra parts. I see some replacements for the pivot, washers, ball bearings, and a few screws, which are always handy when you need to replace some parts that might wear out or need to be changed. And these screws are pretty hard to come by. Well, let's get to the main event here, this outstanding knife. Let's put the Buck back in its sheath, and I want you to take a good look at this beauty that has just arrived in Lima, Peru. Wow. Look at this. This is definitely ZircuTi. Take a look at this. This material here, it's a type of steel similar to Damascus, but it seems to be an alloy of zirconium and titanium. This is the Sokosha model with a blade finished in DLC. It's mirror-like. Absolutely stunning. Let's clean it up a bit because it's brand new, straight from the factory, and has a bit of oil on it. And yes, indeed, as you can see, you can literally see everything above my little portable studio reflected in the blade. I'm not sure if you can see my face in there. Hi, I'm here. Can you see me? Anyway, the point is this knife has an incredible finish. It's such a beautiful material, isn't it? It's made of M398 steel and is coated with DLC, a coating that gives it that black finish. Plus, it has a mirror polish treatment, making it completely reflective, like a mirror. This beauty is clearly a knife to cherish. It's not the kind of knife you take camping, to the beach for a barbecue, or to cut meat, or, I don't know, to sharpen a piece of wood. No, this is a knife you'll pamper. You'll keep it on your desk, admiring it, appreciating every little detail, because the last thing you want is for this carefully polished blade to start getting scratched. And trust me, it will get scratched if you use it to cut anything. In fact, this blade will easily show your fingerprints if you touch it. That's one of the issues with mirror-polished knives, which have such a reflective finish. You really don't want them getting dirty, so you should always keep a cloth handy to wipe off any smudges. Any microfiber cloth will work. Of course, those cloths made for cleaning camera lenses or glasses will also do the job just fine. Let me remind you, this is just an unboxing, okay? These are my first impressions. And honestly, I didn't expect anything less from Custom Knife Factory, a company whose owners are originally from Russia, but don't operate from there anymore. From what I understand, they operate out of Eastern Europe. The parts are manufactured in China, assembled somewhere in Eastern Europe, and then sent to the United States to their exclusive distributor. You won't find these knives anywhere else but at NC Blade. That's important to remember because if you like this little gem, that's where you need to look. What else before we wrap up? This knife comes in many variations. This one is one of the most exclusive, featuring a DLC mirror-polished blade, ZircuTi inlays, and the rest of the construction in DLC-coated titanium. And, of course, it boasts a premium steel, the M398, which is top of the line. As I was saying, it features a liner lock, which is typical for this model and almost all models from Custom Knife Factory. What's unique about this one is that the liner lock is integrated, let's say hidden, within the knife's handle itself so you can't see it. This gives it a very sleek and refined design. In this case, it's definitely a high-end design with luxurious materials that left me speechless. It's packed with details that you'll keep discovering the more you look at it closely. And, well, that's it for now. I really just wanted to do the unboxing, share my first impressions, and invite you to check out the full review of this knife in about 2 weeks. I imagine I'll have carried it by then, and I'll share my thoughts on its pros and cons. For me and all my monsters, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next episode of Philomania. Take care, and goodbye.